life is killing me, and I swear it's killing me. And all the shattered hopes and the long dead dreams, the wreckage that we all try to keep, will come into life and tear it as apart in the sands. And the sands. Sun-bleached bones and weathered trees, slowly rotting just like me. Empty bottles, broken glass, my resolve is fading fast. Swear sometimes I think this life is killing me. Swear sometimes I think this life is killing me.